it's K-Red, and welcome to this week's Peaceful Pattern. This week we're working on Zaon. It's a super cute, simple little teardrop pattern that makes a gorgeous border if you do them in a line. It's by Carol Corderier. She is a CZT, and I think you're really going to like it. So let's get started right into it. And to start with, what we're going to want for step one is a nice teardrop, kind of big bottomed little shape. It's a pretty basic, generic kind of doodle shape. And it's just that simple for step one. So let's do that again. I think you're going to be surprised at how beautifully simplistic this pattern is. In my opinion, the best Zentangle patterns are the ones that are the simplest. And then what we're going to do is basically a little aura. The same type shape right inside, right down to the bottom, however, though. So although it is kind of an aura on the top, we're packaging it down on the bottom. And that's it. We only have one more step, people. It's amazing. The next thing we're going to do, let's go ahead and draw our nice fat bottom little teardrop. Let's go ahead and do our aura type shape right in the bottom. And then let's go ahead and add a curve. Now, I don't think it's going to matter which way you make it, but the way that always feels comfortable to me is to start in the middle and come out and around to the right. And then there are times when I make this that I try to do it in an all one kind of motion. So I'll start here and go over there and go up and then go there and go up. So it is really three shapes that go that way, but if you're feeling adventurous, you can start in the middle and go up, come down on itself, go up, and come down on itself. Just like that. So let's do a few of them. I'm going to switch back to pen. I'm not sure why I did that one in pencil, but that's okay. And let's do a few of them, right? So I think what I'd like to do is, because I'd like them to be in a row, almost like a border here on the bottom, I'm going to do one, and then I'm going to do two, and then I'm going to do three. What do you think, 4 of them across the bottom? Give us a nice chance to play with the shading a little bit and see how they look shaded. Now, if I was doing this for a project that I really cared about and that I wanted to be absolutely perfect, I would have given myself a very soft pencil line so they'd all be the same size. But for this, I think it'll work out really well. Almost like a flame, isn't it? I mean, like a flickering flame. Then we're going to go up for step 2. And then we're going to go and add the swirl for step 3. What do you think? It's hard to imagine that something this cute can just be so simple as this. My mind would not have thought of it, but that really is all there is to it. So on here, what I started to do, and we can certainly do that, is go up and kind of continue it in a swirl so that each one is actually going to be facing a different way. No rules. You can do it however you want. I like these to kind of have lots of options so that when I look back to my drawings, as I'm drawing and I'm moving forward, I will have a lot of different options. Whoops, I forgot doing that one completely out of order. There we go. Just like that. So let's think about some shading. What should we do for some shading? Not sure how I want to shade this one. What do you think? I think we could start by maybe just a little bit behind this, so it'll show some definition between one and the next. I'm not worried about making this pencil down exactly right. Basically, I'm just putting a little bit of it on the paper so I can spread it out later. I think another one that would look nice is to do kind of the same thing on this circle. Let's see if we can make them all pop out a little bit from the page. And then let's even add just a little bit right behind it. Sometimes, rather than adding my shading to my design, I add my shading to the page. And I like the way that looks often. I do tend to put, like most, my pencil marks down and then just come back and blend all at once. I don't know why I do that, but that is kind of the norm for me. Now the direction that you spread the pencil, the graphite, makes a difference in how it looks. So whether you go left or right or up and down, you're going to be able to tell those things. So if you're wanting it to be more blurred, you can go right along the line evenly. If you want it to spread out some from it, radiate a little out of it, then you can do it that direction. Just know that the way you spread the ink, the direction that you're following it with the blending tool, will make a big difference on how that's going to look. So see how this one, because I'm going just along the line, does not come out like these if I was going right and left. Okay, I could add a little bit down at the bottom maybe. What do you think? I'm just going to use the side of it and really kind of flatten that out a little bit all the way along the outside. There we go. That, my friends, is Zaon. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Looks to me a little bit like the word Zion, but with the A, so that's why I'm calling it Zaon. Flip it over, we'll put the title on the back. She is a CZT, and it can be found on tanglepatterns.com. What do you think? You gonna give that one a try? Be cute if some were little and some were tall, and you did kind of an alternating small and little one. I think that'd be really cute on a border. I think it'd also be a little cute if you did these, and then you turned your paper upside down. And I'm not really going to draw it, but you did another one right here. And then you could have them kind of packaged on each other. I think that might be really cute too. I wish I would have thought of that before I did all the shading. I might have given that a try. But there's always next time. So please enjoy this. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Come back next week and we'll learn a whole new doodle then.